it's Gatlin here again from CarPhonix, and I hope you guys had a wonderful evening. I know that I did, and today is Tuesday. Beautiful Tuesday morning. Even though it's raining outside, it's still warm and it's not snowing, so we're happy there, guys. So you guys may recognize this vehicle that's behind me. It's a 2016 Toyota Highlander, and it was on a previous video from a couple of days ago where we were installing an alarm and smart start and all that fun jazz into it. But we ended up realizing that the remote starter that we had wasn't in fact an alarm, so we had to order a new one and we weren't able to complete the job. So it's back again, and today we're installing a Clifford two-way pager remote starter, which is a model 5706X, an iDataLink ADS ALCA, directed smart start with GPS, as well as a BlackVue dash camera, which is a front and rear camera, which is GPS trackable. So this lady here, as I had mentioned previous to you, is a victim of all of her windows being smashed. I don't know why that is, but they seem to be targeting her and her husband for some reason. So she's prepared to do what it takes and get this vehicle protected. So hopefully the guys who keep vandalizing it will think twice next time about what they're doing. So in any case, I also wanted to make mention that yesterday I met this guy. His name is Tom, and he owns a channel called Cluster Suicide Headache, which is right here, and he's a true survivor. If you guys aren't familiar with what cluster headaches are, I didn't know what they were until he came in and talked to me about them. They are a headache that is, I guess, the world's most intense pain that anybody could ever have. Do yourself a little favor, maybe YouTube cluster headaches and watch some of the guys who go through them. And they're also referred to as suicide headaches, and they're just that, you know, they're such intense pain headache that it will make you want to commit suicide. And after meeting Tom, he's a strong survivor, and he has a YouTube channel where he tries to stay positive, and he tries to, you know, encourage other people to get through the cluster headaches. He's gone through a bunch of surgeries himself, 4 surgeries actually, brain surgeries himself, that have been to no avail to help him with his cluster headaches. And if you guys have a minute, I would appreciate if maybe you guys could go ahead and go on YouTube and just search up his YouTube channel. He's got some pretty awesome videos on there, and including him going through some of the cluster headaches himself, and it's pretty intense to watch, guys. So if you have a chance, if you wouldn't mind going on his channel and subscribing, and check out his channel, guys. Little plug for him, and hopefully, Tom, you're watching. I know you said you watched every day, but after meeting you, you've inspired me, man. So I hope you guys get a chance to go on his channel and subscribe. So we're gonna go ahead and get the wiring done on this 2016 Toyota Highlander, and we're gonna start the process of installing a remote starter, guys. So I'm gonna do a couple of time lapses probably of me taking apart the dash, or Damien taking apart the dash, and we'll also do a time lapse maybe of building some of the harnesses that Damien is doing right now as well, so you guys can see that. So catch up with you guys soon.
And it's all you made.
All right, so we've got the BlackVue camera here, the rear camera mounted, and I ran the wires in behind here and through the factory grommet, and now we're just working our way to the front. All right, so the car is all taken apart, as you guys saw there in my time lapse, and Damien is now just finalizing all of his wiring. So here's our remote starter brain, and everything's been nicely tested, taped, and beautiful, and so on. Some diodes there, and this is the Smart Start module that he's working on now as well. Gonna wrap all this stuff in tested tape and make it look real nice. A lot of the work gets done outside the car before it actually goes in the car. So we get the battery disconnected. I gotta run up my BlackVue camera wiring from the back, and then start mounting the front camera, and then Damien should be able to get his remote starter started here. So. BlackVue camera all mounted nicely on the windshield here. All the wires are nicely situated along with our antenna, and all this is just waiting to go with Damien there on his remote starter. We have the backup camera, or it's not the backup camera, but the reverse or the rear camera installed, and all the wiring's hidden along there, and then runs along the front there, back up to the mirror there. So Damien is now just working on getting the siren installed under the hood, which is right there, and of course he's tested taping it. Beautiful. Anyhow, so we'll get that sucker mounted, get those wires ran through our firewall, and then Damien's going to start wiring this bad boy up. It's all ready to go. Lots of wires involved, guys. A little bit more than most people think. All right, guys, so we got our siren all mounted here nicely, and our wires are ran, and then through a factory grommet way back in there. If you guys can see that there, probably not, but it's a nice job there. Anyhow, a lot easier with two people than one person. One people. So we're gonna go ahead and start get this remote starter installed, and the Smart Start module, and all that fun jazz, and we'll hit you back in a bit. Procedure of this here, but in the meantime, I've got a Mazda Miata to do a double tin head unit in. So here's our Mazda MX-5 Miata, and this is all the fun stuff that's going into it. Sirius XM radio, rotating steering wheel controls, a Kenwood DDX 394. There's the harness, there's the dash kit. I'll time lapse the install, boys.
Can't take it. Hindsight is fleeting when your heart's bleeding and all you can see is red. Till you discover it is within each other to forgive and make amends. If I had known then what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said. I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my own. Sometimes what's right is wrong and instead, 'cause I was too young and I didn't understand that you were the one. And I can't wait to see you again. Oh, I can't wait, I can't wait, I can't wait. 'Cause I was too young and I didn't understand that you were the one. And I can't wait to see you
All right, guys, so that's a wrap on this thing here. I did struggle with the bolt there on the side that I thought was there. It just totally wasn't there. The radio has totally been removed before, so I'm like looking for this bolt and like struggling like a mother trucker and just couldn't find it because it just wasn't there. So anywho, as you can hear, this thing is all done. Damien's just programming it up and setting all of our proximity sensors. So as you see there, he's gotten really close to the car, and the microwave sensor has detected his body heat, which is why it's pre-warning him. And that's it. So if someone gets too close to the car, it will set off the alarm, and then it'll also buzz on this remote control here. Let you know that that's going off, and then as well as on her cell phone. So he's setting all this, and that's pretty much all done, guys. So that's gonna be a wrap for today. Thanks you for watching. I really appreciate it. If you guys could like and subscribe, that'd be really appreciative. And we'll see you tomorrow. Take care, guys. Have a good one.